So we are going to make the reverse 3D daisy petal. Okay. So on the reverse, we want it wider. Okay. So we have to make a wider petal. So these are all squared. Okay. Curve side up, diamond shape. This is the reverse 3D daisy. We're going to take top and bottom completely over each other. I'm going to take our right hand and I'm going to hold down that right side of the petal. We're going to take the left tip over to the right tip. Just completely folding it in half. Okay, so we have a wider petal. Now you'll see here where it starts to slant down. That's where we're going to pinch and bring our edges in. Just like that. And then we're just going to band it. Just like that. Okay. Now for this one, for the white, we are using the yellow petal, the yellow bead. And for the blue, we are using the lemon bead. Good morning. Good morning. So we're going to take our bead. We're going to take our zip tie. We're going to take that zip tie through the bead. Now you'll see one side, you'll see the mesh kind of sticking up. On the other, it's tucked in. That's the side I'm going to use. So I'm going to pick up those two edges. We're going to take our zip tie and run it right. You'll see when you pull this apart that there's a hole. We're going to take our zip tie right through that hole. And we're going to start our zip tie. We're going to bring the bead around and the nub of that zip tie goes inside the petal. And I'm just walking it up and tightening that zip tie as we go. Okay, so now I'm going to hold this end and we're going to completely walk that zip tie to the top. Tighten it up a little bit more. Now I'm just kind of making sure that that bead is centered. And then I'm going to zip it all the way. And then I'm going to take my clippers, runaway bead, and I'm going to clip that zip tie off. So now we're going to go in and we're going to open up the petal. Make sure our bead is center.